The following tutorial shows all method of master reset ALLVIEW P4 Pro. First of all, turn off the ALLVIEW P4 Pro by holding down the power key for a short while. Next, hold down together the volume up plus power key for a couple of seconds. As soon as the ALLVIEW logo pops up, let go of all keys. In this step, use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press the power button to confirm. Choose Yes from the menu, and accept it with power key. Finally, accept the option Reboot System Now using Power Rocker. The restoring operation will be done as soon as the ALLVIEW welcome panel appears.